Howdy y'all, so Handy Ann here. I'm totally excited today because today I went shopping at Menards and found a 10-inch miter sliding compound saw, and it was on sale for $99 with the rebate 11%, and I had $30 from the last time I went shopping as a rebate. So ultimately $99 minus $30, $69 for my 10-inch sliding miter saw. I'm excited. So here we go, we're gonna unpack this bad boy. So I actually kind of unpacked it once, but take this out. It's real simple. You take this part out, and you have the tool bag. This is the knob that will get put on the front, and the clamp. So those are really the only three parts you gotta assemble. That's it. Then, grab this bad boy out and set it here like so. Put it on the hose here. You clip these two things together. Put it on the hose. Boom, on your outlet. So that'll catch a good percentage of the dust. Probably not a lot of it. I watched a review on YouTube for this saw. He said it was pretty good, but it doesn't catch so much of the dust. Take the knob here. This is to lock in your what's that called? I don't know, set your miter, I don't know, or whatever. So then the bevel's back here. So you screw that in all the way until it touches here. You can actually lock it in position and it won't move. So next I'm gonna build me a stand for this saw and screw it down on the 4 holes so it doesn't move around on me. And I'm gonna try to indent it so that I'll have more length here to do my longer material. So at this point, I am done. I figure out how to work this sucker now. Anywho, I'll play with that later, but that is literally the unboxing of our miter saw. See? 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. Okay, love you, peace.